Hello fellow camping nerds. Today we are in the Lake District and we are all ready for our wild camping trip. Obviously this is not wild camping, but it's just because we're staying here and then we're hiking from here to our wild camping spot up in the mountains. Tomorrow we will be properly packing our bags up, which we brought here. That's all that chaos down there. What I did want to show you before our wild camping trip is the new little organisers I've got for the buzz. So I'll show you. Follow me. Don't look at my bum. We got these from, I can't remember the name. Where did I get them from? I can't remember, but I'll find out and then I'll post the link. But they're really cool. So they act as like a window blind and they literally just sit in like that. And then in here, just keep all my clothes. You actually can get a surprising amount. I've got about 7 days worth of clothes in here. So I've got my PJs, quite a lot of room in there. And then the cool thing is it's also got this little handle on top. So you can pack it out, you know, in your house and then bring it in when you're all packed up. It's like a little suitcase. It's well nifty. Look at that. So another layer down here as well. About 7 days worth of clothes, and then we've got some more, another one on this side as well. It's surprising how much space clothes take up, but this gives you so much more room. It's like one whole box less that I need to bring now, and it's enough for 2 people. So that's mine, hubby's side. You know, you've got a little bit here to store phone, and then you've got another little pocket here. Probably I'll put my, I don't know what, something. I'll put something in there. I'm sure I'll find some use for that. It was quite expensive, to be fair. I'm not sure it was worth, oh, I just noticed that. Can hang the keys from that. Sorry, ADHD, distraction. It was about £500 for both, which is expensive for what it is. And I wish someone else would come up with a copy of it. But nonetheless, it has saved us a massive amount of space. And again, it's another whole box I don't need to think about, or a bag that I need to bring. And also it's a window blind, so even better. So this is the first time hubby's camped with me in the buzz. It'll be interesting to see how we cope, just the 2 of us. Not that we won't cope, because it's not difficult camping, is it? Oh, I suppose it can be. This is our little setup. Down here on the floor, this is where our toilet's going to go in the night. Right now we have it out here, but it is difficult to open and shut our door because it slides. So if we want to go out to use the loo in the night, the door could catch our canvas awning here. So we're just better off having it right down, having the loo down here. And then Waffle is going to be laying down here on the floor on her bed where the bluetti is, and we'll move the bluetti out. Cody is a bit of a cuddler, so no doubt he will be on the bed with us, cuddling, laying on top of us, because he has no boundaries. So yeah, that's him. And then out here, my little table, and the hubby, that's where he sits. Cody is outside surveying his domain. This is what he always does in the evening. And then Waffle's hiding because she doesn't want to go on any more walks today.